Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix software update failed and error occurred in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to update your software, you might see that your software as update has been error or it has been failed. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with a stable and strongest network connection. Then go back from here, open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN Device Management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here and here go to iPhone storage, and you just have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So you have to check for your software update size. So you have to try to free up more than 5 GB from your software update size. And after that, you have to simply go back from here. If you have already downloaded your software updates, so you can back, go to iPhone storage, and here just simply search for iOS, and you might get here the update. So let's say I'm gonna start my update here. So just wait for until the update started. So now just go back, and here in iPhone storage section, just search for iOS, and you will get an update folder here. So you just have to try to delete this update from here. So once you have deleted update, it will refresh your update log. So go back, go to software update, and here you might see that your software update is not started yet. So you have to go back from here. Just try to make a force restart before you start the update. So it will fix the minor glitches from your iPhone. Now do that, just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for your logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone and here go to settings app. Very first, just try to connect with the strongest and stable network connection. Just wait for your iPhone until it's connected with the network. Then go to general section, go to software update, and try to restart your update. So once you have restarted your update, you might not get any issue this time. So in this video, you can easily fix software update failed issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.